With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
If we talk about this question, in this question we're asked to give two differences between food chain and food web, right? So if we discuss the differences between food chain, right, between food chain and the food web, right? So basically food chain is a process, right, or it's a sequence of process in which the series of organisms feeding on one another, right? So in which one organism eats the other organism, right, eats other organism, right, and is eaten by another organism, right, and is eaten by another organism, right? So that's the food chain. If we talk about the food web, right, so food web is basically consist of number of interlinked food chains, right? When so many food chains are interlinked, that's basically known as the food web, right? Then if we move on to the next difference, right, so the next difference is that it's a hypothetical food chain is a hypothetical situation, right? It's a hypothetical situation, right? If we talk about the food web, right, so it's a real life situation, right? It's a real life situation because if we consider the food chain, how it is a hypothetical situation, because we consider that the lion will only eat the goat. Like if we consider the example here, the grass is eaten by the goat, right? The goat is eaten by the lion, right? So we are considering here that the lion will only eat the goat and goat will only eat the grass. But here if we consider the food web, the example here, right, so grass can be eaten by goat, right? Grass can also be eaten by deer, right? And lion can eat the goat as well, right? Or the lion can eat the deer as well. So it's not that only one organism will feed onto only one type of organism, right? It's not that the situation. So food web depicts the real life situation, whereas the food chain depicts hypothetical situation. We assume it, right? Then the last point of difference that we have here is that the members of higher trophic level, they feed upon a single type of organism of the lower trophic level, right? So here basically here the organisms who are at the higher trophic level, right, who feed at the higher who are at the higher trophic level, they feed onto the organism, right, onto the organism of lower trophic level, right, lower trophic level. And if we consider the food web, so here the members of higher trophic level can feed upon organism of lower trophic level of other food chains only also, right? So here the organism, right, which are at higher trophic level, right, which are at higher trophic level can feed on to any organism, right, which is at the lower trophic level, right, which is at the lower trophic level in any of the food chain, right, any of the organism, right? So that's the difference between food chain and the food web along with the example, right?
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.